Hey guys, it's Arcade and today I got some exciting news. Loopmasters actually partnered up with Beatport to create this huge contest that you can also join. There's actually over $100,000 in prizes, so that's a lot, I would say. And yeah, you can submit your music in 10 genres and there is 50 winners actually, so the chance you win is pretty high and you can win some cool prizes. So check it out, link will be below in the description. And also, Loopmasters made their Loopcloud client or plugin, whatever you want to call it, free for 1 month. And it's basically a platform where you can download sounds from thousands of sample packs. So if you join now, you get 1 month free trial, you get 300 credits that you can use to buy any samples. And you also get 1 free full sample pack. You can choose one of these 4 sample packs. That's amazing. Loopcloud is definitely a must-have for any producer, and now that it's free, make sure to take advantage of that. And there is actually much more free sounds in Loopcloud as well. Anyways, today I'm actually gonna try to make my own submission to the contest, and it will be a deep house submission. So let me show you how to create a nice deep house track. So let's start with the drums. I actually found this hi-hat loop, which is in the welcome pack, which is free as well. And that's the one I want, so I just drag it to FL Studio and it's right in here. Now to search for sounds, you basically type it in. We do deep house and you get the sounds right here. You can preview them, you can actually edit them in the client itself. So I'm looking for genres. I'm gonna do deep house. And let's try out some kicks. So this kick is pretty good. Let's get that one. And I also got this clap. So together it sounds like this. And that's our drum beat. Now let's add another thing, and I think for deep house, the best thing to add is a vocal chop. So back to Loopcloud, and let's search for some vocals. We have this future pop vocals. You can also change what key the vocal will be in. Right in here. So if we, for example, want it to be in G and click auto, it will pitch it down to G, even though we didn't actually buy the vocal itself. You can already edit it even before buying it. So you can see how it will sound in your track. Another thing you can do is get the Loopcloud plugin in your DAW, and you can actually play the sounds before even buying them right in your project file. So we just play this. So you can see I didn't actually buy this sample yet, but I can already preview it in my song, so you don't waste any credits for samples that you don't want. Okay, now I'm in this sample pack. I want to go to vocals and let's see what we got. So this is actually the one I want, and I already bought it, so I'm just gonna drag it into FL Studio. Now here's the drum loop with the vocal. Let's actually pitch it down. Sounds pretty nice. So now let's add the bass to this vocal. Now I'm gonna go with Nexus, and I'm gonna use this culture preset. Maybe lower the release. And delete the reverb and delay. Maybe just a little bit of reverb. Okay, so let's create the bass. We are working in the C. And there we have it. That's already a nice drum beat with the vocal. We are having the main idea of the song pretty much ready. Anyways, let's try to spice it up with another vocal, and let's choose the key to be C sharp because that's the one we are using. So right away it's in the right key. And let's play with the sound here. Maybe try out a few of these patterns. So you can edit the sound in the Loopcloud client itself. Let's do this one. Maybe octave up. That's pretty good. I actually just edited the vocal right in here. And if you want the original, you can drag this one. But if you want the edited vocal, just drag the processed one and put it in your FL Studio. Now I also put more reverb on this vocal, so it's a bit more interesting. And it sounds like this. So we will start with this vocal and then go to this one. So as you can see in Loopcloud, it's really easy to find samples. There's a lot of categories in here and you can even edit them before actually buying them. So let's get some downsweeps, for example. Let's just type in downsweep and let's see what we get. Of course, reset this so we don't actually have it cut up. For example, this one, let's just buy it. Simple as that. And then we put it in our song. And I'm gonna lower the volume of it. Maybe actually pitch it down an octave. Anyway, so that's that. Now what I wanna add is a melody. So I'm gonna use this guitar sound. It's really cool, so let's add this melody in there. Really cool thing about this sound is this pitch transition. So this is the melody I created. Really simple, but it works. Actually, it reminds me of one deep house track, but let's not mention that now. Another thing I'm adding are these Rhodes. Also, as you can hear, they are sidechained, so there's this pumping effect. The bass is sidechained as well, and the vocals as well. Also, I got this texture sound from Loopcloud. Just adding some more color to the whole mix. And a few more effects, like these sweeps. We are actually pretty much done. So yeah, after creating a simple arrangement, here's how our project sounds. Enjoy! And hey guys, that is pretty much it for this project. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I think it's a pretty decent deep house track. Make sure to check out Loopcloud, link will be below in the description, and check out the contest. Try to submit your track as well. It actually ends May 11th, so submit your track before that. And you know, hopefully you can win some cool prizes. It's really easy to submit your track. Just get your free trial of Loopcloud, upload your finished track to Lander, and then the winners will be chosen by Beatport's team. Anyways, check it out, all the links are below, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Damn, the hair situation is getting out of hand. This is a good look, right?